Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Asus Zenfone 6D, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, you need to disable all unnecessary services. So disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, disable even sounds, so mute all sounds, disable flashlight, X mode, disable nearby share, hotspot, auto rotate, disable location services, disable NFC, disable camera and microphone access, disable air triggers, and that's it. Then, of course, you need to enable dark mode. To do it, you need to open the display, and here we need to use dark mode. So I don't know where can I have it. Dark. Okay, display dark mode. Great. So you need to enable dark mode, and of course you need to reduce the screen brightness because screen consuming a lot of your battery power. Go back, open settings, then scroll down and find here battery. So we need to find the battery here. And as you can see now, my device will work for about 1 hour with 2%, as you can see. Great, but here we have battery usage. We can check which of the applications using the most of battery power. But here we have a low power saving mode. So enable power saving mode to save your battery life. And of course, I suggest you use background app management to manage this feature enable automatically removing apps from the RAM. Detect battery draining apps. Of course, you need to enable this feature. Auto start manager, you need to check your applications that are starting with your system. So I suggest you to disable several of them. Notify party, oh my gosh, Netflix, why on the start? Magic. So you need to disable all unnecessary features. And great, that's it. For example, now as you can see, my device will work longer with even 2% of battery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.